Long neck, yes. And see, a horsey has a short neck. And the dinosaur has a long neck. Long neck.
Bike.
A bike?
Bike.
Are you wanting, would you like a bike?
Yes.
Yes. Is my knee in your way?
No.
Sorry.
Paper.
Paper? Not in the water. Maybe later. Maybe.
Dinosaurs.
I think that's let's see what this is. This is the Apatosaurus. Apatosaurus. Yes, those are his hands.
Bush.
You want to brush him? Here, you want to brush him? You can brush. Good dinosaur. He probably likes to be brushed. You're going to brush him. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. You're going to brush his teeth? Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Are you brushing the horsey? Oh, that's awfully nice. I bet he likes that.